Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Artistic Intention Studios. So today, I wanted to do a couple more coasters in alcohol ink. And I do this with fire. Last time I did this, I had some comments. First of all, I wiped these down really good with alcohol and a soft cloth. So they are prepped and ready to go. So I'm just going to lay some alcohol in. The last time I did this, I had several comments about safety. Which is so very true. This is quite dangerous when you go to light this on fire. Oh my goodness, I can't open that. What is going on? There we go. So, I cannot stress enough that this is very dangerous. Once you light this on fire, the alcohol tends to burn with, it can burn with no visible flame. So if you go to squirt more alcohol on there, it's quite possible that it still could be flames underneath there. So you have to be extremely careful. You really need to make sure that this one opens. The alcohol is completely burned off before you go and set flames to it. And even you can see I'm dripping, I've got some drips outside of my tile area here, so those are going to catch on fire as well. You want to have a metal surface. See? And there we go. And at first you can't even see the flame on that one, so it's quite dangerous. You need to be very, very cautious when you're doing these. You have to make sure that that flame is out because it's very dangerous to go squirting. Like if I were to squirt alcohol now, that would blow up. Possibly in my face. And you just have to really be certain that that flame is out. So I'm going to add some more alcohol because purple is really deep. I want it to burn off more. I'm wanting more of that green to pop through. Anytime you work with fire, you have to be careful. Cannot stress that enough. And that's what the comments I was getting, that you just really have to be careful with it. It's very true. So I do want to stress that. There still could be flames underneath, so like I said, very, very cautious. I do want to add some more green. And then a little more alcohol. I don't want it muddied up, but purple is really dark. Alright, I think I'm going to light this. These look like these might be pretty cool. Whew. Very cautious. Stand back. You don't want to lose your hair, your eyebrows. You can kind of see It looks like it's out, but I can kind of see that underneath there's a little bit of a poof. So there's still some flame to that. I was really hoping that would, just the dark, I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm going to go in one more time with a little bit of alcohol in the dark spots. Okay, closing my cap each time. Extra, extra cautious. And there we go. A little more fire. All right, I'm pretty happy with those. Those are pretty cool. Hope you guys like this. I will bring you in for a close-up. And then I will be probably putting a resin top coat on these. Hang on just a minute. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay. Come around here. Once we get these under resin, they will really look cool. The flame just makes a lot of really cool patterns, and you can, it's kind of smoky and deep. Pretty cool. And then here's this one. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this. I'm glad that pink wouldn't open up. I like the purple. Alright guys, hope you like this. Please thumbs up if you do, comment, share, please subscribe, that'd be awesome. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Come back and see me soon. Till next time, guys.